Friends, welcome to Shinerweb YouTube channel, and I am DS Patel, and today we are going to learn how to set up Laravel, how to set up your website in Laravel framework. So guys, if you don't know how to set up Laravel framework, then see my previous video, and this previous video link I will share in my video description. So please, you can go there and see my previous video how to set up Laravel framework. Now today we are going to learn how to set up your website in Laravel framework. Okay, so guys, let me start how to set up your website in Laravel framework. So friends, we need one theme or one project to install in Laravel framework. So I download Bootstrap theme download, and that theme I will install in Laravel framework. Okay, you have already website, then you can set up into Laravel framework. So simply I download this theme and I will install this theme in Laravel framework. First of all, I download. If you have already theme, then you don't need to download this theme. Okay, see how we are installed this theme into our Laravel framework. If this download, then extract this folder. Extract. Successfully extracted, then you in this folder css image js, this all folder we need to paste into our Laravel framework. So first of all, we are go to our Laravel folder. In previous video we already created Laravel project or set up a Laravel framework, so you need to go that folder, XAMPP server, htdocs, XAMPP, htdocs and clean India. Now you simply run the project php artisan server. Okay, you simply run this command, and now this, okay, 127 0.0.1. now this our simple project is run. Now we are set up our custom downloaded theme into Laravel framework. Okay, first you need to go resource folder and then open welcome.blade.php files, and also open route folder within a web.php file. Okay, this route file web.php file is decide where our link is go. Okay, now simply run welcome.blade.php. Check this is run. Okay, this is run right now. Welcome.blade.php. Okay, now we have downloaded one theme, and that all folder like css images js and all folder we need to copy and paste into our Laravel framework where we are created. Okay, that folder is available in htdocs folder and clean India, and that all folder will be need to paste into here. There is already Laravel css js and all that, but we need to create one more folder where we are paste our custom css js and all that. Okay, so we need to create one more folder here, and name is okay, we are create one folder front end. Okay, Now in this folder we are paste all our custom css js and all that. Okay, now please see video till end, because if you forget one step then your framework is not installed. Okay, now we need to all index file code into our welcome.blade.php file into. Okay, I simply copy index.html code into our file welcome.blade.php. Okay, now run. I pasted that code, but my website is not work properly because of my css js and all that is not run or not linked properly. Okay, so laravel will be provide one function assets to link our css where we are pasted. Okay, there start a curly braces, assets, bracket and single quote, then our folder name where we are store our css js and all that. Okay, and closed by single quote, bracket and curly braces. Now that all, now you copy that assets function everywhere where your js css and all is there. Okay, now I simply paste and properly set my all css and js. Okay, now simply save this and now run. Okay, now my css is working and our website work properly, but there is a image and that image will not be displayed in our project. Okay, here my image is not displayed. Okay, here is my image is not displayed, so I need to set the link as per laravel. Okay, simply copy this one assets function. This function easy to locate your css and js or images also. Now paste here your assets, also paste here, paste everywhere where your image is there, and don't forget to close this curly braces and all that. I simply copy paste. So guys, watch this video till the end, because I will uh, uh, give you all that thing we need to set up custom website or your custom framework or custom bootstrap framework and all that. Okay, so if you getting an idea how your custom website or your website folder set up in laravel framework. Okay, let's see. Okay, now our image is displayed. Now still our js is not working. Now go to into bottom of, because our js is there. Okay, now js is not linked properly, so also paste asset here. I share this asset function and all that code in video description, so don't worry to remind to okay this paste, and also don't forget to close that curly braces only. If you have any query, then please comment, so I will give your answer as soon as possible. And okay, now save this. Okay, now remain this one, I also paste here. Okay, now save and let's check. Okay, now our scrolling and all that I think work properly. Okay, now our JS is working fine. Now okay, now we need to differentiate header and footer and all that. I also say how to set or your header and footer. First of all, you need to create one folder. Sorry, I create one file before create one folder. Sorry, now I create one folder where is we are put all our pages like home, registration and all that page. So close all file. Now create one folder pages, and now simply okay, now I create one file into pages folder, and name provide homepage dot blade dot php. Laravel have a blade page, because don't forget to write blade.php. Now we have a welcome.blade.php file, and copy that all code into our new created homepage.blade.file. Okay, now we are run welcome.blade.php file, and there is nothing. Now because of we are copied all code into home.blade.php, so we need to change into our route file. Okay, there is a welcome blade is called, but right now we need to call homepage.blade.file. Okay, so we need to go pages and slash homepage and save this one. Okay, now our homepage is run really well. Now we need to create one file where is we are put our header and footer code. Okay, so we have created one file index.blade.php, and that file created into layout, because this layout is fixed for every file. So first write a comment here. This is a header where we are put header code and all that. Guys, and dynamic content, because here we are change this code dynamic content continuously change, but header and footer are fixed. Okay, so whenever you set up your website, then header and footer will be fixed and your dynamic content will be dynamically load. Okay, and end footer. Now we need to copy header code from our home.blade file. I simply copy from here to, okay, now you can copy as per your theme. My header is here. Now cut and paste here, and now footer code you have to copy. Okay, my footer code is here. Now cut this code and paste, simply paste into our footer block. So our header and footer are fixed, and that code will be write into index.blade file. Okay, now we need to call header here. Okay, sorry, we need to call this function is used to call dynamic content here. Okay, uh, now this I share this command into video description, so don't worry. This command can use into index.blade file, because this command can extend your code from home.blade file. Now you need to go and extend here. Now where is our header file? Now our header file is into pages folder, so we need to extend header. Now write layout slash index, because our header is there, so, and your header is coming here. Okay, now your dynamic content is here. Okay, you must be sure this content are dynamically, so we define name content, and that content will be also same as into index.blade. Now end this section which is dynamic, and this section and here. Okay, now we are set up a content dynamically. Okay, now run. Okay, it's work fine. We are differentiate header and footer, and that header and footer will call here into home page.blade file. Now you can change here, so check it's work fine or not. Hmm. Okay, it's fine work. Now our header and footer is differentiate and it's work fine. Okay, now we need to change dynamically title and meta tags, because whenever we are going to click on registration page and other page, then your title and description also need to change dynamically. So I write @ section and create one title and create a description. I also set this code into our description, video description, so you can easily copy this all command from my video description. Okay, don't worry for that, and also comment me if you any code needed. Now copy this el function to our index.blade file, because our title is also dynamically coming. Okay, so okay, el title, it means title is also dynamically, okay, see here, home dynamically coming into our index.blade file. So whenever you call your page, then your title is also coming as a dynamically. Now your meta description is also coming dynamically, because why we are set this dynamically, because whenever you click or open new page, then that page have a different title and different meta text, so you can easily, okay, this is our dynamic meta tag. This help to your whenever you going for SEO, means this is also helpful for your search engine optimization, because that title also really need to search in Google. Now we are create one more file, register.blade file. Okay, we are create one more file, register.blade, so you can easy to know concept of header and footer dynamically coming or not. I created one more file, and now we are delete this code, because this is our home page code. Now we are simply type register in h1 tag, so we can easy to understand what is our home page and what is our registration page, and how our header and footer page is dynamically work or not. Okay, now register page I created, and now route file also have to need to change, because this is also call when your by default 127.0.0.1.800. Now when you call /register, then your page register will be called. Now we need to check /register. Okay, sorry, this is a by default register can check page will be called. Now this is a laravel register page is called. Now we created register page is not called. Okay, now our page is called it. That page is called by laravel itself, because this is by default register page provided by laravel. Now we need to change here register. Now okay, see, title is changed, register, and meta tag is also changed. Now you need to use your own sign up page, then create a different URL, because that URL by default by laravel register URL is also consumed by laravel, so we don't use to slash register. Now this is a laravel registration page. Now our custom created sign up page, so we need to here. Okay, now differentiated that registration page and our registration page. Okay, now our registration page is called laravel, and this is a laravel registration page. That registration page we will learn into next tutorial. Okay, now we create a one inbox so you can easily understand, and also we set up one. Whenever I click on register link, then how our page is call. Okay, after this complete, we create one link register. Okay, this is a work fine, but we need to create a one link register, and then whenever I click on register, then my page register is called. Okay, now simply I copy that code, paste here, and create register link. Okay, whenever I click on that link, then my register means sign up page is called. So when you need to call link, then simply use URL function and pass your route URL. We have created route file into name is sign up. So whenever slash sign up is called in URL, then your sign up page is open. Okay, now click on register page and let's check. Okay, now register page is called. Okay, nice, it's work fine. So you can easily open your page by click on link, your own link, and easily you can differentiate your header and footer. If you still you did not get idea to differentiate header and footer, then please comment me, so I will give your answer. Friends, any query regarding this video, then please comment me and I will give your answer as soon as possible. And if you free to write a comment in Hindi, English and Gujarati, so I will give your answer in that language. So friends, how was this video? Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel from here. So guys, we will meet in next video. So thank you for watching and bye bye. Thank you.